Channellock just launched a full line of professional locking pliers. I'm going to walk you through their unique features and help you decide if you're in need of an upgrade. If you're a contractor, welder, mechanic, or you just inherited a toolbox from your granddad, chances are you've used a set of locking pliers. This style of plier was invented all the way back in 1924 by William S. Peterson, a blacksmith who was always in need of an extra set of hands around the shop. After his 17th Indeed job posting went unanswered, he decided he was going to take matters into his own hands and went to work on what would eventually become the vice grip. The design featured a revolutionary locking mechanism, which allowed the pliers to clamp securely onto objects, freeing your hands up for other tasks, and it was a game changer. Now, Channellock had been making hand tools for 25 years before locking pliers even came onto the market, so it's safe to say that they know their way around the Ford shop. Fast forward 125 years and they have taken that experience and applied it to their new line of locking pliers. Now before we get into what sets Channellock's new lineup apart from the rest, hit that subscribe button because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks in advance, now let's get into it. As the age-old adage goes, a pair of pliers is only as good as its jaws. And that of course is why these jaws are forged, keeping its teeth sharp and grip strong. And if you want to learn why forging is superior, watch our video linked in the description below. But it's not just the forging of the jaws. Channellock has taken it a step further with an epoxy resin coating. And not only is this coating 20 times more corrosion resistant than the industry standard nickel, it also sloughs off welding slag and it won't chip like nickel, which makes it ideal for contaminant sensitive applications. Last but certainly not least, Channellock's locking pliers feature this extended release lever, and it's not just a pretty blue accent. This unique feature allows for quick, one-handed release, where most tools require both hands. Plus, it's designed to prevent those painful finger pinches, which are never fun. Channellock's line of locking pliers features all the staple styles. Straight jaw locking pliers, the most common design which can be used for the widest variety of gripping tasks. Curved jaw locking pliers, to provide strong, secure grip on rounded objects. They're fantastic for turning stubborn nuts and bolts or clamping materials while welding. Needle nose locking pliers. The long, slender jaws with pointed tips can be used for reaching into tight spaces, gripping small objects, and making intricate repairs. Large jaw locking pliers. With their extended capacity, they are perfect for holding larger pipes or clamping materials directly to a work surface. And of course, C-clamp locking pliers, which are designed for heavy-duty clamping tasks and are excellent for holding work pieces together while gluing, welding, or drilling. While the basic form may not have changed, Channellock has infused their expertise and innovation to produce what some might call a better mousetrap. But why don't you be the judge? Get your hands on a set of these pliers and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you're a Channellock loyalist and want to check out another tool we reviewed, go ahead and give it a watch right here. Until next time, keep working and take care.